Career. Your creativity is your crowning glory, Pisces, but some of you don't engage it often enough. This year, you may have a chance or two to turn your creative abilities into profit-making ventures. You can't be lazy, lackadaisical, or a procrastinator if you truly wish to make this happen, though. The moment you spot or are offered an opportunity you like, you need to grab it and run with it, or it might fade away quickly. You may also have the chance to earn money this year through your connection to nature, which is something you also treasure. This may be anything from working in a lovely natural setting to beginning a business that is connected to the earth and earth preservation, or has something to do with flora and fauna, or maybe even the sea. And whatever you do, don't allow your creative mind to stray to a dark place where you begin to fear that things will not go well in your work because you are so intensely your emotions can rule you if they get out of control. If you remain more grounded this year, 2021 can be a highly lucrative and successful year.